Hello everyone! Do you sometimes struggle blending your hair extensions with your blunt cut? Well, within this video we are going to share some tips and tricks. Today we will be using our ultra volume clip-ins in the shade 6 Chestnut Brown. For blunt cuts we would always recommend our ultra volume clip-ins as this will thicken out the hair the best. As you can see, we're also going to be adding some length today. Typically, you would start clipping in from lower down, but because the hair is quite thick and blunt, we're going to start higher to blend out the transition line. Here we are just backcombing to give the extension something to grip onto. Ensure you backcomb from the root, and for extra grip you could also use some hairspray. Here we are just using the widest clip-in piece for the widest section of the head. To find this is usually just above ear to ear level. Keep your sections nice and neat. We recommend a pintail comb to achieve this, and having neat sections will make the extensions more discreet and it will sit flat to the head. When you get onto the sides, start a bit higher than usual so that the hair will blend better. For the sides, use the 2-piece clips and the 1-piece clips. Once you have placed all your clip-ins from your pack, have a look to see if all the hair is blended. If you can still see the blunt cut peeking through, you can also buy a quad weft to add extra thickness and to blur the line even more, but ultimately you want to curl your hair for the best blend. A good tip is to curl the extensions and your natural hair at the same time, as this will mould together. Don't style your hair and the extensions separately, otherwise your blunt cut will be on show. You can now see that all the hair is completely blended once curled. For a softer look, you can use a wide tooth wave comb to soften the waves, but if you like it curly, you can just leave it and use hairspray to hold the curls. Here we are just finishing the look with some of our moisture silky spray. And here you have it, the look is completed. Let us know what other videos you'd like to see from us in the future. Thanks for watching!